नमस्कार साथियों। तो आज हम एक डिफरेंट टॉपिक पर हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं जो थोड़ा करंट अफेयर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न अबाउट दिस टॉपिक। ओके, वाई? बिकॉज our India is included in this, and also Indo-Pacific regional security is dependent on this. Okay, so what's the topic? America, Australia, United Kingdom will make nuclear submarine. Okay, and they have signed a security pact. Okay, and they have named that, just like BRICS, we have Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Like we have the Quad. In Quad we have, who we have? USA, Australia, Japan, and India. Okay, in the same way they have made a trilateral security pact. Okay, and in this pact they have made the first priority to make nuclear submarine. Who will make the nuclear submarine? The already established countries like USA and United Kingdom. They both will help Australia in making what? In making the nuclear submarine. Okay, so first of all we will know what's the true meaning of a submarine. Okay, you can see this picture. Okay, what you can see is this some kind of a vehicle moving into the sea. Okay, moving displacement. Okay, it's going from one point to another. Okay, and how is it going? Like ships move like this. Okay, they sail, they float on the water, whereas submarine can go deep inside the water and they can also move on top of the water. Okay, so what's the use? Okay, so please keep a pen paper along with you and just write the few points whichever I'm saying. Okay, it's very important from your exam point of view, be it any arts. If you are studying arts, if you are studying geography, okay, these kinds of GK questions are usually asked. Okay, so you should be very thorough with this. um, any competitive exams, you may face such questions. Okay, so you should be able to answer them. Okay, so submarine, what's the submarine? It would be a nuclear submarine. And what happened? The security partnership will be Indo-Pacific. What Indo-Pacific? Why Indo-Pacific? This is Indian Ocean. Okay, this is Pacific Ocean. Okay, now these three countries, they met. Okay, and they think that China is threatening their maritime security. Okay, the trade that's happening between Australia, USA, UK, okay, these things are not happening due to the presence of China. Okay, because China has a very strong naval power. Okay, it has a very strong navies. Okay, that's why these countries, they feel that they are getting overpowered by China. So they came up with this term, new term is called as AUKUS. It means Australia, United Kingdom, and USA. It's the short form. A for Australia, UK, United Kingdom, US is United States. Okay. Now what happened? These three leaders, okay, who? Scott Morrison, the Australian Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, United Kingdom Prime Minister, and Biden, President Biden of USA. Okay, so what they said, that maritime security is the most required. Okay, for any kind of trade to happen between these countries, this maritime security is very much needed. And for this, our navy should be capable of deploying any kind of sorts. Like if there is any China had put trade restrictions on Australia. Okay, so it was not able to send their ships via this South China Sea. Okay, so that's why they are making the nuclear submarine for Australia. Okay, now we will learn a few points about the submarine. Okay, many people must be knowing that in Hindi we call it as Pandubi. Okay, Pandubi means which goes below the water. Okay, which deep dives in the water. But how does this submarine works? Okay, there must be some fuel. Okay, right. You can see this is a needle like structure or part of the submarine that comes out. It's the fume. Okay, the fume, exhaust fume goes out. Okay, so there might be, there are diesel powered generators. Okay, by this technology these submarines run. Okay, it takes the load of the submarine, it also takes the load of the water which is putting pressure on its surfaces. Okay, now what happens due to the diesel, just like in a car, how we drive a car. Okay, it's in when we start the engine there comes some noise. Okay, and in this submarine is mainly used for what? War like situations. Okay, so if the submarine is made so that this ship can go anywhere. Okay, it cannot come into radar of anyone. Okay, so that's why it's said that it's called as killer, it's called as a submarine. Okay, it's a killer machine. It can kill any ship, bigger ship. Just it can go deep inside and no one can see it. Okay, just by the use of sonar. You know what is sonar? Sonar and radar. Okay, sonar and radar. In sonar what happens, a ship which is coming, okay, it always sends signals in the form of sound waves. Okay, and sound has the ability to refract back. What? Reflect back. So it will hit on the surface and it will reflect. So by this technique we know that some submarine is there. Okay, how much at what distance the submarine is there. Okay, so in these things the technology matters, how your submarine doesn't make noise. But submarine, if it's a diesel powered submarine, then it's gonna make some noise. Okay, and then on the water surface you will see some bubbles coming up. So anyone can say oh यहाँ से कुछ जा रहा है, यहाँ से कुछ व्हीकल जा रहा है. ओके, सो ये रही कुछ तथ्यात्मक बातें. ओके, ये आपको जाननी बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, so these bubbles gets formed. Okay, now what happens in a nuclear submarine? In nuclear submarine, okay, just leave it. We will first talk about how the nuclear submarine was first made. Okay, it was first made by US, Russia. Okay, all these countries came first. But what's happening is this part. Okay, whenever this submarine goes inside, it needs to get charged. Okay, when it is above the water, it uses the diesel power. Okay, when it's below the water, it uses the electrical energy. Okay, when it uses the electric energy, the battery gets used. Okay, now for the battery to recharge again, this submarine, after say 1 hour, 2 hour, it has to come at the surface and start taking the air. Okay, for what? For generating the light. Okay, but in the case of nuclear power submarine, okay, it can stay underwater for more than 2 weeks. Okay, this is the technology. Okay, that's why USA and UK both are helping Australia in making a nuclear submarine. Okay, now what's happening is this submarine they are making. Okay, now there are some countries who are against it. Okay, why they are against it? See, these are the points which I just explained. Long underwater presence. Okay, no need to surface to recharge and move silently. That's the advantages of this submarine. Okay, now what happened with the reactions? Okay, now first of all I will tell you about the nuclear submarines that these countries have. Okay, and even India is included in this top 5 countries. Okay, only 5 countries have this nuclear submarine. Okay, which countries? USA, UK, France, Russia, China, and India. How many countries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 countries have this